Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a TCL Tab 10L. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Now go into Google Assistant option here. And in this menu scroll down and find General option, this one. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant and confirm operation tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.